everyone! Today I wanted to show you something really cool to have around the job site. It's called a magnet sweeper. When I finished doing the siding, there was a lot of nails from the previous siding on the ground, and this magnet sweeper picked them all right up. And after I was done cleaning this area, I decided to go around the whole house and look at all this stuff I picked up. I can hear it picking up stuff. Kids love this thing too. My nephew at the lake, whew, he had such a blast with it, picking up all the nails and the fish hooks. They have a bigger one too, which I want to get. All right, let's see what we got here. We got some nails, some screws, lots of good stuff. After I do each section, I put all this stuff into a bucket. Just be careful. Sharp little objects. Kind of like a vacuum. Get any screws that fell under there. I just finished doing the whole house and look at all this stuff I picked up. Look at that. This thing is wonderful. These things are also really good for camping so you don't get nails in your tires or step on hooks. Look how many nails and hooks we picked up on our last fishing trip. And it works really well for getting down into hard to reach places. Hope you enjoyed this short video. If you're in a place where you're going to be picking up nails, bolts, screws, or hooks, this is definitely a must-have. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, not really.